Alright, so I'm going to do my best to do this video here, and I'm sorry you have to watch me this morning, but I want to discuss the answers to the story Prometheus Defeated. Question 1, what is one theme of the passage? The answer is A, science and nature are sometimes in conflict, and really the first paragraph tells you about that. It says, in the summer of 1964, a scientist cut down a tree in Nevada. The event started a debate about the importance of scientific study versus protecting the environment. Versus meaning the two things come into conflict, which is why number 1 is A. Alright, question 2. What did the scientists believe? The second paragraph, kind of the main idea of that entire paragraph, is what the scientists believe. And the answer to number 2 is B. The knowledge gained was worth cutting down the tree. Specifically, the sentence that says, scientists argued that there was no other way to get valuable information about different time periods long ago, and they're referring to having to cut down the tree to do that, that is why number 2 is B. All right, number 3 asks, what did Friends of the Tree believe? And this answer can be found in the last or third paragraph, which is all about the beliefs of the people who were supporting nature. The answer is C. It is more important to enjoy living trees. And the reason why is, if you look, it says Friends of the Trees used words like murder to describe what was done to the tree, and that speaks pretty loudly to why they were supporting living trees and not killing them for research. And that is why number 3 is C. And lastly, we have number 4. What is the main idea of the first paragraph? We've discussed before that each paragraph can have its own main idea, as well as the whole passage having a main idea. We said that paragraph 2 is mostly about the opinion of the scientists. Paragraph 3 was mostly about the opinion of the people who love the trees. Paragraph 1 is your introduction paragraph, and it talks all about the two different opinions, which is why number 4, the answer is A, people can view the same issue differently. It talks about how they have two different points of views, and they see things in completely different ways, and it introduces you to the argument that the two groups had. And so that is why the answer is A. The strategy practice asks, how does the author use a compare and contrast structure to present the debate? The entire article is pretty much like any compare and contrast essay would be. The first paragraph talks about the debate. The second paragraph gives one side's opinion, which was the scientist. The third paragraph gives the opinion of the people who love the trees, and it talks about what they believed in differently and everything in each of their own paragraphs. So when you're talking about did they use it and how do they use it, that's how the author used compare and contrast debates.